So soulful.
So soulful right there. Courtney Antipus coming through with that jam. 13 before we touch down on 1. Hope you requested your track for the TXO Request Show. In the meantime, we're jumping into ratting and chatting, and the question for today. So you grow up. So you grow up. And you get to, Okuro, some more years, 10 years from now. What is it that you'd like to see? There's a lot you'd want to see, right?
That's obvious.
That's obvious. There's a lot you'd want to see. How you're living, how you're doing. You want better for yourself.
I'm caught up between good health and lots of money. Balance out. Which one do I prioritize?
Well, you can actually prioritize both, but something else besides that has to suffer.
But
relationships, friendships, social life.
Money can buy new friends.
But the thing is, Gujika, when you get to 10 years from now, and what's the first question you're going to ask yourself? If you have a conversation, na J-Boss who's 10 years older, what are you going to ask Kutakuudze about your life?
True. Yeah. If you could have a conversation with your future self 10 years from now, what's the first question you ask? Warana mama makore 10 antiga 10 years makore gumi from now.
That's a tough one.
Yeah. Ukasangana
newe 10 years later.
Newe 10 years from now. What conversation do you want to have? What are the questions? What's your first question?
Mari alpha. It's too money undo.
My question will be
but my question is who are you married to, bro? Are you actually even married? No,
you're not.
Yeah. Bro. At school, I don't know this year. No, you're not.
But and I think marriage, you have to be in a good space, financially, infrastructurally, mentally.
Who you marry is more important than when to marry.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, actually, that's very, very key. Most people are being forced to rush because of relatives, because they think there's a best before date on the merchandise, and they want to, just rush along and,
And the pressure is real with the women though. As soon as they turn 21, there's always this pressure.
But even men too.
And then she hooks up with Jay. Guys are never.
No.
Guys are never really under pressure.
To some extent.
Unless you're an only child.
Yeah.
Unless you're an only child, then
my guess.
But because most women are put under pressure. By the time you're 27, it's too late. What? And then she hooks up with Jay.
It's interesting. A Black Panther comes through, says, "My question is, did I marry right?" I think it's a question that everyone is asking right now. I would ask, what do you regret not doing 10 years ago?
Wow.
The one that got away.
That's a good question.
The one that got away. There's always the one that got away.
No, bro, that's not the question.
What do you regret not doing? One opportunity. You don't have one of them. But 10 years from now, it's why did you let her go? Why did you let her go? Because there's that one good woman. There's always that one good woman.
Yeah, cool. Okay.
No, got it. Like in these marriages, yes, you succumb to pressure, you succumb to the facial beauty.
Yeah.
And you forgot that beauty is only temporary. Like just evil, cruel, sadistic, vindictive. I think all that in the bad chips. That's why a lot of men die early.
Yeah.
So you see, that's the crazy part. So
and if they live long, they grow up to be Scrooge.
Yeah.
Scrooge McDuck.
Can I divorce for your own peace of mind?
Yeah.
Okay, take half. Take half. Just stay away from me.
Unozvibvunza kuti wapera ka.
Uyaruzama habits. He knows his habits.
Anzi chibaba zvakabhaizika papi? That's the question.
So he's actually planning to fail.
I don't know.
That's the other thing, though. You can't plan to fail. Always stay optimistic.
If you're to meet yourself 10 years from now, what's the first question you're going to ask yourself? That's our question on Ratting and Chatting today. What's the first question you're going to ask yourself? If you meet yourself 10 years from now, what's the first question you're going to ask yourself? What conversation are you going to have with the 10-year-old, the you who is 10 years older? 10 years from now. We always ask the question, what would you say to your 18-year-old self, to your 21-year-old self? Well, the question for today, what would you tell? What conversation would you have with the 10 years older you? Hit us up on WhatsApp 0772 162 651. Pamnotita Raf, Nice Killer, featuring Nutty O. Chris 99. Check it.